Israeli forces have killed at least 5 Palestinians in an attack on the Salah al-Din school in Gaza City, which had been sheltering displaced people. Since dawn on Monday, at least 45 Palestinians have been killed in ongoing Israeli attacks, according to Al Jazeera. The violence comes as Israel's siege on northern Gaza has reached 100 days, with reports indicating over 46,000 Palestinians have been killed and over 109,000 wounded since October 7, 2023. Meanwhile, at least 1,139 people in Israel were killed in the Hamas-led attacks on that day. In diplomatic developments, US President Joe Biden has spoken to Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, urging an immediate ceasefire in Gaza and the return of Israeli captives. The US has been mediating ceasefire talks over the past year, but progress has been slow. Talks are now taking place in Doha, Qatar, with high-level Israeli officials, including Mossad chief David Barnea, participating. Biden emphasized the need for a ceasefire, humanitarian aid, and the release of hostages. The Biden administration is hopeful that a deal could be reached soon, with discussions continuing despite past setbacks. Hamas has confirmed progress in negotiations, particularly regarding some key issues for a ceasefire. However, disputes remain, particularly over Israel's military presence in Gaza. In today's news, security forces in Balochistan's Kachchi district have killed 27 terrorists in an intelligence-based operation. The operation, conducted on Sunday, targeted terrorist hideouts and destroyed multiple weapons and explosives. These terrorists were reportedly involved in numerous attacks on security forces and civilians. Meanwhile, in legal news, the verdict in the £190 million Al Qadir Trust case against former Prime Minister Imran Khan and his wife Bushra Bibi has been postponed for the third time. The case, which involves allegations of corruption and land deals, was delayed again due to the couple's absence from court. The verdict is now set to be announced on January 17th. In politics, the third round of talks between the government and PTI will take place on January 16th. These talks aim to ease tensions between the two sides, following protests and unrest sparked by Imran Khan's arrest. A session will be held in the National Assembly, with Speaker Ayaz Sadiq presiding. Lastly, the Foreign Office of Pakistan has condemned what it called increasingly racist and Islamophobic comments directed at Pakistanis in the UK. The comments followed remarks by Elon Musk about grooming gangs, which have raised concerns about fueling harmful stereotypes.